Different color?
Oh,
Orange? Can you open it?
Yep.
Good job.
Draw.
Draw.
I.
Lid.
Draw.
It's the wrong end. Uh-oh. Where's the orange one? Which one needs a lid?
Uh-oh.
Where did it go?
Go.
Which marker needs a lid? Did you forget?
I don't know.
I don't know. No,
Orange.
that's not orange. It's kind of a coral color. Oh, that doesn't work. Where's orange?
Here. Orange.
That's not orange. That's red.
There.
Do those match? Close enough.